So you can use this on your ex-boyfriend or to open up packages. And this is why I'm single. Hey guys! So it is Valentine's. That can be a whoop whoop or a wow 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 wow. But I thought I would represent all the single ladies, all the independent women who don't necessarily have a significant other, but it doesn't matter because like you got yourself. So this is just a fun look that I decided to put together, and it's all about pampering, just to like chill out for a second, be at one with oneself. So let's just jump into the little makeup look and make sure you subscribe. I got this Glam Glow glitter mask. Haven't used it, so let's pop this baby open. I hate packaging. Ooh, okay. Hello, sexy. Boom! There's a tiny little brush. Pop that sucker out of the box. Wow! Rainbows, unicorns, leprechauns! Okay, my face is clean. Oh my god, this is awesome! So yeah, it smells like pina colada. Gooey! Oh my god, this is so cool! This is like something I would love to have put all over my face and body and just smeared everywhere on the walls as a child, just to be like a nuisance. Oh, it actually dries. Oh my god! I think it's actually one of those ones you peel off. Wait, I should have read the instructions. Stir before use. Oh wait, I didn't even put it on with the brush! Just part of that generation that doesn't believe in reading instructions, you know? I don't want to be told what to do. Avoiding eyebrows and hairline. Once completely dry, gently peel from edges. Oh yeah, I remember. Alright, so now we just wait. We play the waiting game. We gotta pamper the eyelids. I mean, these are the gel pads that you just stick under your eyes. So we're gonna put this 24 karat gold eye pad. And they're kind of like soaking in this juice. It doesn't sound that great.
You look like a Power Ranger.
All right, so while you wait, you could read a book. Or if you're impatient like I am, just blow that. Let's take these off, shall we? My eyes are hydrated enough. Beyonce. Okay, so now we are firm. Oh my god. This is so cool! Oh no, it's ripping my eyebrows. It's waxing my eyebrows off. Oh! That's why they said don't get it on your hairline. It's okay, it'll wax my mustache then. Oh my god, what do I do? Yep, it's got my eyebrow hairs. I am reborn. So now I'm just gonna quickly wash away the remnants. Okay, washed, cleansed, wiped, feeling taut. Like kind of soft and supple. So it's makeup time. Obviously we're just gonna put makeup on to go nowhere, which is half the fun of it because it's just for us. I'm gonna go in with this 24 karat gold infused, and it's a beauty oils. Oh, it's got little gold flakes in it. Honestly though, what the heck does 24 karat gold pieces actually do on the face? And massage it onto my face. Oh, that smells like candy grapes. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Next up, I've been wanting to use these Cover FX custom enhancing drops for a really long time. It's like unicorn essence. Okay, there's 4 colors in this pack. White, iridescent, or a golden goddess, or a pinky pork. A glazed pink pork. Actually, let's go with this white one because it will be like luminous. But I'm actually going to mix it in with my foundation, which is going to be the YSL today. 2 of them. So I'm gonna like mix that on my hand. Bing! Blemish proof. We're gonna go in with the Stella Twilight Powder. What brows should we do? I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This guy is more dependent than probably most other men out there. It's been my longest relationship since I moved to New York because it's lasted me 3 years, this thing. Oh my God. Have you seen those pictures of like celebrities and they Photoshop the eyebrow out? Anything with Drake in it is hilarious. All right, so we're gonna play, what is it? A Valentine's Day trivia. See how much I know. Probably nothing. Hit me.
Who is the winged child shooting the lover's arrow?
Oh, that's Cupid. And a little cherub.
Is Valentine's Day the #1 card-giving holiday?
Okay, so you'd give cards on Christmas, Valentine's, birthday. No, I'm gonna say no. Boom! Let's move on to my eyes. In the crease, I'm just gonna put a neutral brown color. So I'm actually gonna use some blush on my eye because I want it to be kind of like reddish. So I'm going into this Epic Smashbox blush palette, going into this one called Rich Berry. Bing, bing, bing. And then just running that all along the bottom lash line.
What % of women send roses to themselves?
That is like Clueless. Let's just say 50% of the population is not in a relationship. Would it be the people not in relationships that are sending flowers to themselves? Yes. So of that 50%, maybe 12%.
It's 15.
Ah! That's kind of high, man. I kind of want it like when I close my eyes, you see a love heart type of thing. So I'm using this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I'll just look like this all the time. How you doing? Bing, bing, bing. Okay, so I'm gonna go use this Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna dot the insides of it. Now let's just put some eyeliner on. Okay, then I'm gonna run some brown eyeliner onto the bottoms. And then blend. Falsies to tie it all together. I'm just gonna do the bottom lashes. All right. So going back into the Cover FX drops, I'm actually gonna use this to pop into the inner corners. A little bit goes a very long way. Now to blush and contour, let's chisel out these cheekbones. Okay, back into this Epic Smashbox. I'm going to contour with this rich bronze, and then I'm probably going to take a little bit of Highlight Berry and True Coral because that looks really pretty. Dab it down. So I like to just pucker, and then if you're doing this side, you move your mouth to this side, so opposite side, and then you like see the chisel. Contour the nose a little, and by a little I mean a lot. And then connect to the brows, and then I like to put it under here so it looks nice and pouty. And then blush time. Naturally just blend it upwards. Flushed. We need a little bit of starlight. Star. bright. So going in with my favorite Becca Champagne Pop. Even though like everyone and their mother has been coming out with highlighters, this is still my favorite. So it's like right here. Whoa. So this is something that you would totally wear for a girls' night in, you know, just like in your PJs, slumming it out, and then Cupid's bow. To seal the deal, we're going to put on a red lip, which I can't find. Here it is. This matte lip cream, and it's from Julep. Oh my god, this is such a creamy formula. This is the first time that I'm actually using this one. I feel like I can't breathe when I put on this red lipstick. It's like kind of coloring inside the lines, you know, like a child. All children at heart. And we're done! Basically, I just wanted to kind of play around and just kind of incorporate love into it. Love, self-love, friendships, family. It doesn't have to be a significant other. Like in my mind, this is what I would do with my girlfriends, and then just, you know, chill, have a cheese fondue, snacks, watch some chick flicks, and just chill in your jammies. That's about it, right? What am I gonna do? Exactly this. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe. Yeah, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.